Welcome back to Innovin Foods. Today we are making a rich and flavorful dish that's loved across South Asia, chicken kofta curry, juicy chicken balls cooked in a creamy spice gravy. Let's start the recipe. In a bowl, take 1 cup minced chicken, add 3 tablespoon breadcrumb, half teaspoon chili flakes, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon pepper powder, 1 chopped green chili, 2 tablespoon onion, half teaspoon ginger garlic, 1 tablespoon coriander leaves, and 1 egg. Mix well. Use fresh minced chicken for softer koftas. Don't skip breadcrumbs. They keep the koftas moist and hold their shape. Shape into balls. And fry in medium heated oil for 5 to 6 minutes until golden. Fry the koftas on medium heat to avoid breaking apart. Now for the curry base, heat 2 tablespoon oil, add half cup onion, 3 tablespoon cashew nuts, and 2 green chilies. Roast for 5 to 6 minutes. Cool slightly. Now pour in a blender. And blend into a smooth paste. In another pan, heat 2 tablespoon oil. Add 2 cardamom, 2 small cinnamon sticks, 3 cloves and 3 peppercorn. Then add 1 teaspoon ginger garlic and the blended paste. Roast for 2 to 3 minutes. Add 2 tablespoon water. Half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon garam masala, half teaspoon cumin, and half teaspoon pepper powder. Cook for 2 minutes. Add 2 tablespoon water. For richer flavor, add a few saffron strands to the gravy. Now 1 tablespoon beaten curd, 1 tablespoon heavy cream. Chicken is a lean protein and good for muscle growth. Cashew nuts provide healthy fats and energy. Spices like cumin and pepper aid digestion. Yogurt in the curry helps balance spice and adds probiotics. And a cup of water. Mix well, bring to a boil. Then add the fried chicken balls. Cashew paste in curries gives a natural creaminess without too much cream. Chicken kofta is a lighter, healthier alternative to lamb or beef version. Let it cook for 7 to 8 minutes. The word kofta comes from Persian, meaning to grind. Kofta dishes are enjoyed in Middle Eastern, Indian, and even Mediterranean cuisine. And your delicious chicken kofta curry is ready. Rich, creamy, and absolutely mouth-watering, this chicken kofta curry will make your mealtime special. Try it with naan, paratha, or simple steamed rice. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Innovative Foods. What's your favorite curry, chicken, mutton, or vegetarian? Share your answer in the comments. See you in the next recipe.